Hello and welcome to this new series called the Swift School, and essentially I'm going to go through the programming language here from start to end, from A to Z. There's going to be a couple of videos here, and this is the first video, so let's get started. So at the heart of any language and programming in general, you need to learn about variables and constants, and variables and constants are the heart of any program. So when we want to store something into memory in a program, what we do is we create a variable, and essentially we go into the computer memory or the smartphone memory and carve out a small space in the RAM, in the memory, and we store that data, may it be a player score or a name or whatever. So there's two ways to do that. The first is called a variable, and we create a variable using the var keyword. So var, that's a keyword that you have to enter, and then you give this variable this box that you're creating out of the smartphone or computer memory a name. So let's call it I don't know, my name. Okay, and we're gonna give it a value of Mark. Okay, we could create another variable here, and we're gonna say this variable is called my number, and we're gonna give it a value of 99. Okay, and based on how you create your variable, you could either change the variable or not change it, and I'll explain what that means in a sec. But essentially, when you use the var keyword, you're creating a variable, and you could change it, and we call that a mutable variable. Okay, a variable that can change. To make an immutable variable, we call those constants, and to create a constant we use the keyword let, right? So I'm going to create the same thing, let. I'm going to say another name. We're going to go Jennifer, and we're going to give a value of Jennifer, and we're going to create another number, we're calling this constant another number, and we're giving a value of 88. Oh, sorry, 88. So we've created two variables, my name, and it has the value of Mark, and my number that has a value of 99. Another name has the value of Jennifer, another number has a value of 88. However, these two are constants, they're lets, they're immutable. So check it out. If I were to go ahead and change, for example, another number, how do I do that? I don't need to use the keyword let anymore because I've already created, I've already declared. Declare is another word for creating. So I've already declared, I've already created another number. So if I want to change its value from 88 to something else, all I have to do is call it up, another number, and use the equal sign and give it another value. Now I'm gonna be given an error here because this is a let, this is a constant, and the error says cannot assign a value another number because it is a let constant, right? Because these variables are called constants and you can't change their value. However, we change these because these are variables, these are not constants. So this variable right here called my number, all I have to do is call it up, my number, and give it a value of 77. And we'll see it update in a sec, and it should read 77. Right there, 77. If we were to change the value of my name, all I have to do is call it up, my name, and give it a new value. We're gonna call it Sam. Okay, pretty easy stuff, right? And now it has a new value. My name has a new value. Perfect. In the next video, we're going to be talking about inferencing, type annotation, and how safe Swift is. Thank you for watching.